Hello, this is Alma, and I am here to review this product. It's called 12pH Mosquito Repellent Bracelet. It comes in 12 colors, or I'm sorry, 12 pieces with 4 colors, and they're all natural essential oils. There's lavender, eucalyptus, citronella, and peppermint. They are DEET-free, and they really smell citronella-ish, but I like the citronella smell. They do come in 4 colors. Let me dump this out here. It comes in a burnt orange, a green, kind of an olive drab green, a real pretty blue. I like this color blue, and yellow. They're really easy to put on. They have different holes in them so that you can put them on very easily. You can put them on your ankle, your wrist, backpack, stroller, pet collar, pretty much just about anywhere. And there we go. Oops, it didn't stick. Let me try that again. They will last up to 240 hours, or aka 10 days. Be sure and store it in the bag when you are not using it. And unfortunately, or fortunately, there are no mosquitoes. It got too cold. The timing just wasn't really great when I received these, so I don't really know if they're going to keep the bugs away or not. So for the moment, just because I like the way they smell and they look really durable, I'm going to go ahead and give them a 4 stars. And hopefully when it gets warmer, we'll find out whether they keep away the bugs or not. I did receive this free in order to try out. And if you like my YouTube video, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you and have a wonderful day.